In this demonstration, we're going to do another method for adding a date range to a report. You see, we've already got this report created where we have multiple values selected for our sales rep's last name. Now we're going to add a date range to it. So over on parameter fields, we're going to right click and say new. And this one I'm going to call date range. And it'll be a dynamic value. Take it out of my database. And it will be from the orders table, the order date. I'm going to change my prompt to select order date. Select order date, and I'll add the word range to it. Actually, let's just say select order date. It'll add range. And in the bottom of this list of options, there is allow range values. So I'm going to say true. And then we hit OK. Now I'm going to add that to my report, to apply that one into my report as well. Now we already have our employees.last name. I'm going to go to the new one, and we will select orders, order date, and I'm going to say is equal to, we don't do the between on this one, because this returns an entire range. We'll do that date range. And we say OK. Now it's going to pull up the prompt for that date range. We've already selected the names, so we're going to do this date range. So I'm going to say the year 2003. So from there to the end of our range here. Oops. I believe there was no, that is the last one in 2003. Okay, so through this date range, we say OK. And that is a date range using the allow range in the parameter. So we have one parameter for a range of dates. And it also adds multiple parameters to a single report.